Hello, Facebook Live. Marcus here. And Jamie and I are in our suite here at the Harbor View in Watkins Glen.
Hi, everybody.
And we are
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday is right.
I guess it's a little past my happy hour, but...
Yeah. So hello to everybody tuning in. It is Friday, a few minutes before 6, I think.
Teresa, we'll see you shortly.
Yes. So we are up in our hospitality suite. We're in the Finger Lakes. We're in Watkins Glen, and we're starting our Finger Lakes wine weekend here any moment. We have 14 guests meeting us here at the hotel, and the rest of the weekend is going to be filled with lots of wine, lots of food, and so the hotel room here is awesome. We did a live here last night. Right behind me here is the lake, Seneca Lake. It is amazing. Nice balcony on our hotel. We got lake views. Everybody that's on our trip got upgraded to a lake view room. 2 different pricings on room. We originally were going to put it out with 2 different pricings and upgrades, and everybody got upgraded to a lake view room. So thank you for helping us out, the Harbor View, for that. Amazing rooms here. So it's opening reception, 6 o'clock start, 6 to 9 o'clock. 14 people are going to meet us here in our hospitality suite. And we have 2 special guests with us here in the suite. And let's see, we got lots of food. So we have a spread out of spring rolls. We have some awesome local cheeses, some imported cheeses, imported prosciutto, local sopressata, of course our famous fig and port jam. We have shrimp cocktail in the other room. So the room is broken up into 2 rooms here. So the room is broken up into 2 rooms. That's Jess behind me from Finger Lakes Distilling. You might know them as Mackenzie. They make some great spirits, including some really awesome whiskeys, which we'll talk about that. So the room, we have the hospitality suite, and it's broken up into 2 rooms here. We got the additional adjoining room. So this is the room here, right? So that arch where Jess is right there goes into our bedroom, and this is the rest of the room here. The bathroom's awesome. Jamie and I are big bathroom fans in hotels. So there's the adjoining room, and in this room here, we have more food. And in this room, we have Shannon from Silver Thread Winery. She's here to pour some of her wines. And we couldn't quite get to her winery, so she's here to pour the wine. Same thing with Mackenzie, or Finger Lakes. We couldn't quite get there. There's so much to do here. There's so many wineries. How many wineries are here? A couple hundred, right?
It's like 100.
Like 100. Okay, there's a lot of wineries here. And we can only really max out at 5 wineries. So we thought we'd make this extra special this weekend and have an opening reception with Silver Thread, Shannon from Silver Thread here, and Jess from Finger Lakes Distilling. Hopefully Brian's going to stop by soon. We saw him a little while ago over at the distillery. And Shannon, I'm just going to turn the camera around. You want to just talk about your wine for a minute?
Sure.
Shannon's a pro at social media. You've got to follow her. How can people follow you?
Well, you can go to Silver Thread Wine on Instagram or Silver Thread Vineyard on Facebook. And actually, there's a great, my husband does Silver Thread Winemaker on Instagram, and there's a great, you should see it, Bernie Sanders stopped by today with his mittens, so we have a cute photo of that.
Okay.
On our page today. Yeah, so our winery is down this long dirt road, which normally is snow covered at this time of year. It's not very snowy, but it's really hard for us to get groups in and out, and it's a really small winery. So it's great to be part of this exciting weekend for all of you guys, and I'm happy to be here tonight to share some wine.
Yeah, so tell us what you brought.
So I brought some dry Riesling, which is our flagship wine, and also the Good Earth White. This is actually hot off the press. It's 2020 vintage, so probably the first one of those you guys are going to try. And Blackbird, which is our signature red wine. It's Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Merlot.
Great, so Bordeaux style.
Yes.
There's a few wineries up here doing Bordeaux style blends. Why is that?
I'd say more than a few.
A lot.
So Cabernet Franc is the leading red variety, which is a Bordeaux. And for people that have vineyards like ours really close to the lake where it's warm, you can put Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot and successfully grow those two, and it really helps add some complexity complexity to the Cabernet Franc.
All right. So if you were going to visit a winery, which winery would you go to?
Just one?
Just
one?
okay. Pick a couple to be fair to your friends
Okay.
on the lake. So your other top 4 or 5 wineries that you would say people must stop and visit. Of course,
Well, yeah.
Silver Thread is you.
Yeah,
So
I'm super biased because, for me it's the wine and the experience, but also, you have certain people you're close friends with.
Of course.
But I just had a great meeting yesterday with folks from Billsboro and Anthony Road, which are both on the other side of
Yep.
Seneca Lake. They're both great family-owned and operated wineries.
I love Anthony Road. I love their Pinot Gris. We've served their wines many times. Their Limburger Merlot blend, I believe.
Yeah, that's a great one that they do. I also, our closest next door neighbor is Shalestone. They only make red wine. They're really small like ours. We share a lot of equipment with them and
Very cool.
know them really well. So yeah, those are some of my favorites.
Awesome. I'm going to come back and taste the new Good Earth. And we have the Good Earth at Aroma Time. Really amazing way we found your winery this summer was through one of our distributors that we trust very much. We said we have time for one winery. Where are we going? And he pointed us right to you. And it's been a great relationship ever since. And we love your wine. So thank you for coming to do this for us. And if we do this in the summertime, we're definitely coming post-COVID, post-snow. We will definitely be bringing a group to the winery. So you told people how to follow you.
Yep.
When is the tasting room open?
That's a good question. We're definitely closed. Like we always are closed at this time of year because of our road situation. So we're tentatively planning for the end of February. We're gonna kind of play it by ear, but definitely by April.
If anybody's in New York City watching this, where do they buy your wines?
Oh geez, that's tough to keep track of because it changes so much. But like if they're in the city proper, there's a store called Bottle Rocket that carries our wine. Geez.
How about a restaurant? Any restaurants you know of that pour your wine in?
Yeah, the Nomad.
Okay.
They're open. So,
Very cool. The Nomad. Love that.
It's been such a crazy year with sales to restaurants and stores. And
If anybody's after their wine,
burner.
if anybody's after Silver Thread, DM them. They'll help you out some more. When she's sitting in front of her desk and looking at her accounts, DM and you'll get their wine. New York State only available?
No, we also distribute in Massachusetts, New Jersey, Ohio, Washington, D.C. So.
Awesome. Excellent. All right, I'm going to go get my glass and do one little quick glass tour here, and our guests are arriving.
All right.
Hello. How's it going? Good. I'm just doing a Facebook Live and showing everybody what they're missing. So, all right. So, back. Oh, we got some more in. There's dessert right there. Organic cashews, Tadals from Italy. Jamie's making some little risotto puffs here, little risotto hors d'oeuvres. And let's go check out what's going on over here. All right. Hi, guys. All right. So, Jess is here from Finger Lakes Distilling. And Finger Lakes Distilling was one of the first distilleries, right, in New York? One of the first, the first handful.
We're going on our 11th year.
Wow. Awesome. 11 years. And so what do you have today?
So I brought one of our vodkas, our Seneca Drums gin, which is our most popular gin.
So that's going to be my next.
Our grape brandy.
Ooh, brandy.
Yeah. And then we have our bottled and bond weeded bourbon back.
I know, everybody's pretty easy.
And then our rye,
Rye.
famous for its Manhattans. And
Okay.
then our raspberry liqueur.
So what drinks are you making?
I made a lime and thyme cocktail inspired by the name of your.
Lime Time. Love it. And what's in the Lime Time?
So it has fresh lime, thyme syrup, Seneca Drums gin,
So
and
they left us a
cube
bottle of the
grapefruit
Chardonnay. It was really
Oh, great. And what's the next drink? The cobbler.
The cobbler, yeah. So this has Kentucky rye in it with our cherry liqueur,
And then wiener.
and then it has
Yeah,
more
good
bitters
wine.
and the
A lot
Luxardo
of
cherry.
Rieslings, right?
All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So if
Yes.
you're ever, let's see, what am I doing here? All right, Marcus. Stop.
Very cool.
Stop.
Winery or whatever.
Okay.
I just switched the lens, but that's okay. All right, okay, it's not. What I'm trying to do is not working. All right, how do they follow? How do they follow you guys on Instagram
So,
or Instagram or Facebook?
yeah, so it's FLX Distilling, Finger Lakes Distilling.
Okay, FLX or Finger Lakes Distilling. Follow them. Products all over New York, available in New York State. Anywhere else?
There's certain locations throughout the U.S. Check your local liquor store.
Okay.
Here it is,
Can you ship product?
we come to New York State.
New York State only. You can ship the product. Okay, great. Tasting room open this time of year?
Every day of the week, 11 to 9.
Awesome. Well, excellent. Thank you very much. And all right, everybody, have a great evening. And if you want to join us up here in the Finger Lakes, we are going to be doing our next tour March 21st to the March 19th to the 21st. I'm gonna go out here so you can hear me a little better. Snowing outside right now here. There's flurries popping around. Look at that. There you go. There are the flurries. Wow, look at that. So we found as we were driving around today that there was massive flurries and then sun and massive flurries and then sun. And from Seneca Lake to Keuka Lake was a big climate difference. There's several inches of snow in Keuka, which is only 20 minutes from here. And then Seneca, not much snow at all. In fact, no snow out on the ground. And Keuka, because Keuka has higher elevations, I just found out. The elevation's higher over there. And different wines are saying, like, really distinctly different wines from Keuka versus Seneca. So that's the story with that. So if you missed this trip, we're doing another one March 19th to the 21st. March 19th to the 21st, we're doing the wineries of Keuka Lake. Keuka Lake, that's where Dr. Frank is. Ravines has a spot over there. Hunt is over there. So Hunt Vineyards, so check them out. Huntwines, I think, .com is their email. They're doing some amazing wines over there too. New York Wines, wow, look at that snow. Look at that. I don't think this was in the forecast either. It's like a movie scene. It's like almost like fake snow coming down. But that is real snow. So, all right, our guests are arriving. I got to go mingle and got to make sure there's enough food here. And of course, I got to taste the wine from Silver Thread. And I've got to check out Mackenzie and check out their stuff too. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. We appreciate the support. And the restaurant's open this weekend because we have a great team. So thank you, team at Aroma Time. Patrick, Courtney, Alex, the kitchen crew, Michelle, Tom, Wally, Mohammed. Got a great staff there, which allows Jamie and I to do amazing things like this and enhance the guest experience. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, team members. Thank you, guests. And stay safe, and we'll see you soon.